Krebs cycle is used to produce energy for our body. The person takes up the glucose, which is then converted into pyruvate by the process known as glycolysis. And this pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA by undergoing oxidative decarboxylation. And from here, acetyl-CoA enters into the Krebs cycle. Now first of all, we will see how pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA. Pyruvate enters the mitochondria where it is catalyzed by multi-enzyme complex. The multi-enzyme complex includes 3 enzymes and 5 coenzymes. And these 5 coenzymes are NAD, FAD, coenzyme A, TPP and lipomide. And from here acetyl-CoA is formed. And this acetyl-CoA is acted upon by an enzyme called citrate synthetase and it gets converted into citrate. And now I will tell you the easy method how to remember this. You just have to look for the first 2 letters in this citrate, that is Ci, and the next compound which will be formed is cis-aconitate, and the enzyme will be aconitase. And the same rule will be followed in the next. Look for the other 2 words, that is is. So the compound that is formed will be isocitrate, isocitrate, and the enzyme will be same, aconitase. Now look for the last word in the first letter of isocitrate again, that is O. So the next compound that will be formed is oxalosuccinate, and the enzyme will be isocitrate dehydrogenase. And now look for the last letter in the oxalo, that is Al. So the compound that is formed will be alpha ketoglutarate, and the enzyme will be the same, isocitrate dehydrogenase. And the next few you have to learn on your own. The alpha ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl-CoA. The enzyme will be alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. And the succinate is converted into fumarate. The enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. Fumarate to L-malate. Enzyme is fumarase. L-malate to oxaloacetate. Enzyme is malate dehydrogenase. And now we'll see the steps that are involved in the energy production. You just have to remember a simple password for that. That is alpha miss is a silent teacher. And here alpha, M and I each produces 2 NADH and S produces 2 FADH and ST produces 2 GTP. And now this alpha stands for the alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, M stands for the malate dehydrogenase, I stands for the isocitrate dehydrogenase. Sorry, I made a little mistake here. After succinyl-CoA comes the succinate. The enzyme is succinate thiokinase. And succinate changes to fumarate. The enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. And now this S stands for the succinate dehydrogenase. And ST stands for the succinate thiokinase. And now I hope you will not forget the steps in which energy is getting produced. And now at last we'll check how much energy is getting produced. We'll write our password alpha mi st, and alpha is producing 2 NAD, M is producing 2 NADH, I 2 NADH, S 2 FADH and ST 2 GTP. And now 1 NADH equals to 2.5 ATP and 1 FADH equals to 1.5 ATP. So it will be 2 NADH equals to 5, 5, 5, 2 FADH equals to 3 and 2 GTP is equal to 2 ATP. In total 20 ATPs are produced.